Hello everyone, and I am now at the balcony of the house that we have purchased. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am now at our new residence. And how did we come up into purchasing this house? Let's take a look back into our house hunting last year. Click on this link up here. Grabe yung pawis kong init. Whew. And on those links will be the house hunting that we did about more than a year ago. I mean, almost a year ago. Hindi, more than a year na nga yun. O basta, whatever. So, these house hunting videos are not meant for me to brag or anything. But instead, this is how I am able to show you guys some inspirations on how to design your own home. Because for me, I learned a lot when we did our house hunting and applied those inspirations in designing this new residence that we're in right now. And I hope you also found inspirations. Because this is what this channel is for. This is what this channel is intended for, to be able to inspire and not to influence, just to inspire people who are following me or people who are subscribed to this channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you will also subscribe, click the like and comment down below. Turn on all notifications so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And as what I mentioned earlier, comment down below because it really supports my channel. And I haven't posted 2 more videos of the last 2 houses that we've checked out in this channel. And the next videos are those 2 videos. So here it is. $14 million. Ayan siya. Ang garage. Ito yung pwede ka dyan maglagay ng inflatable pool.
Ano ba iwan dito? Itong mga aircon na ito.
Tagal ko na itong nakikita sa ano. Hindi ko lang makontak. High ceiling. CR. Ito yung laundry area. Ayan. CR. Ito yung switch. May exhaust na siya. Kitchen. Ito maid's room, diba?
Kung sakali po, itong area to, pwede gawin na bumito eh.
Lawak ng space dito. Bird's eye view.
Ilan sila dito sa taas? Isa.
Masters na to. Ay, hindi. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. May built-in cabinet naman. Yung ilaw.
Baka buko ko ng dito, ayusin namin to. Ipinturahan yan, ayusin namin.
I-refresh lang siya. Kung walang gamit, talagang mas maganda tignan. Pero kung i-imagine mo siyang wala ng laman, di ba? Ito, second room. Ganda ng bubong, guys. Yan, pwede ding bilhin tong lote na to kung gusto pang i-extend yung house. 18 million. Meron ding actually for sale dun eh, no, sa dulo. Oh, diba? Tignan muna natin to. Nag-function naman yung kanyang doorbell. Oh, lawak ng garahe, oh. Ang ganda ng CR nila, ah. CR lang ng maid, ang ganda, oh. Hello. Minsan kasi nasa materials din yan eh, kaya malaki yung presyo eh. Ganda ng tiles, oh. May window dito na powder room sa loob. Maid's room or driver's room. Halak pa siya. Dirty kitchen. May mga storage pa dyan. Sa ilalim din. Open yung likod. Tapos merong awning. Ito yung electric switch. Ito yung sa exhaust ng pag nagluluto. Nice. Mini garden. May faucet na dun. Yun yung mga lights niya. Sa lahat ng tinignan ko, ito yung range hood na lalabas talaga dun yung amoy. Meron siyang ganda, oh. Ganda ng tiles. Bukas tayo ng isa. Diba? So, ito pull out. See? Tapos ito din, meron din to. Ay, hindi, wala. Kala ko meron. Dito pala yan sa kabila. Push and then pull. Kala ko may hinihila din dito. Wala. Soft closing. Ito, pag... okay. Akala ko yung nagsaslide din. Ayan, Hot and cold na ba to? Yung sink nila. Outlet. Ito yung way palabas. Tara! Lock natin. Okay. Ganda ng ilaw, oh. Drop ceiling. Salamin pa dito. Hello. Powder room. Shoe cabinet or whatever you wanna put inside. O, diba? Mag-on yung light and mag-close once you close it as well. See? And then the powder room. O, diba? Hello. Another mirror. Yun yung kanina. Sumilip tayo dun kanina yung ilaw niya. Tapos meron pang sign. Gold ang faucet. Cute. One final look. Kutan natin. Okay, let's go up. Ganda ng ilaw, oh. Let's go up. Magkakaanuhan tayo dito, parang, nasan ka na? Oo nga, masters. Kaya pala 18. Push, pull. Soft closing. Okay. Hotel design. May urinal, hot and cold, toilet bowl. And working yung exhaust fan. And his and hers sinks. Tingnan natin to. Shoe rack. Balcony. Kung naiinitan ka, buksan mo lang to. Ganda ng light fixtures, Hanggang dun ba yun? Hanggang dun, paikot siya. Ayan, paikot siya. See? Hindi ka napapasukin ng lamok. Screen door na siya, sliding. Ganda ng lighting. Ambient light. Popcorn wall. Punong-puno na salamin, no? Kung sobrang vain mo, gaganyan kayo. Lahat ng mga handles, push and pull. Ta-da! Beautiful. Let's see the toilet bowl. Okay naman siya. Hindi yung type na pag nag-poops ka magsaspurt palabas yung water. Hindi pa nga lang siya hot and cold. Master, common area. Room number 2. May toilet and bath din. Same design. Yun nga lang yung ano niya. Yan hindi na modern yung ganyan Panood ko lang sa YouTube. Hindi na raw modern yung ganyan. Parang maganda naman tignan. Number 2. Room number 3 with another balcony. Oh, diba? Tingnan natin yung balcony. How can we open this? Sira pa no? So, paano nga ito bubuksan? I don't know how. Anyway, may built-in cabinets din. Tissue holder. Meron na ring clothes hook. Telephone shower. Another mirror. And then the last and final room. Laki din Ito na yung magiging gym mo. Ay, ito na pala yung master's bedroom kanina. Oops! So, ayun. 1, 2, 3, 4. All rooms have bathrooms. Oh, all rooms have bathrooms nga. This is the 4th room. Nice. Alright. That's it. Go out on the back door. Oh. Through and through siya. Ikutan mo siya. Garden baka mo. Oh, ayan, may garden. Presko. Sa feng shui lang, ito, hindi rin to maganda. Yung back door, ka-align siya ng front door. Oo. Pero pwede mo siyang gawa ng paraan. Lagyan mo ng drape, ng curtain. So that is it. Those are the last 2 houses that we've looked into. And next week, join me as we look for lots for sale in just one village that I will not disclose the exact location as always for security reasons. And naririnig yung foreman namin in the background. So, we haven't settled in our new home yet because it is still being renovated or whatever. I will not be talking into deep details about this. I want this to be of a private part of my life. This is social media, so I don't have an idea if everyone is good or bad, or so we better put some of the details of our lives in private. Grabe yung pawis ko. Wala masyadong hangin. It rained a bit. So that's about it. Those are the last 2 houses. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next week on our lot hunting. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and God bless you. Like, share, and subscribe.